9. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash, right? So what are you saying? There are 27 of these small spheres, okay? There are 27, but I'm not going to draw 27, okay? Just one, but we get the idea, right? So what did they do? They melted these 27 small spheres and then made it into one giant or one big sphere of radius r dash, okay? And the surface area is s dash. For this one is s, right? So what is the first they're asking us? Asking us to find a radius r dash. All right, we also find this r dash, and the next is ratio of s and s dash, right? So ratio is pretty simple. We just have to divide. All right, so we'll do it one after the other. First, let's try to find r dash, right? So now we'll try to find the volume of this 27 small sphere, right? So I've written the radius of the 27 sphere is r, right? They all have small r, 27 of it, okay? Radius of the new bigger sphere is r dash. Now let's find a volume of these 27 small spheres. All right, so you know the formula. Volume of a sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? But how many are there? There are 27 of these small sphere, right? So 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can divide 3 ones are 3 nines are 27. Then 9 fours are 36 pi r cube. So now we know the volume of these 27 spheres, right? See, the question told us that they melted these 27 spheres and made it into one big sphere, right? Then can I say the volume of the 27 sphere should be equal to volume of the new bigger sphere? We can say, right, because it has not changed. They just melted it and then made it into one bigger sphere, okay? Which means the volume should be equal or same, all right? So I'm writing it here. Volume of the new sphere should be equal to volume of the 27 sphere, right? Then volume of the new sphere, the formula is simple again, 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. And volume of the 27 sphere, we already got it right, 36 pi r cube. We can divide pi and pi from here. We'll do cross multiplication. 3 will go up, 4 will go down to the denominator, right? Now, that is what it will be. Having the 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. Remember, we have cube root here, right? In all the other questions, most of it were just square root, right? But now it is cube root, okay? So when I send this cube to the other side, it will become this, right? Cube root of 27 r cube. Now 27 is pretty simple. We all know this is the cube root of 3, right? And then 3 3 is 9, 3. R cube is here, so we already have the cube, right? Which means the r dash, the radius should be equal to 3 times r, okay? The new radius, the radius of the new sphere r dash is equal to 3 times r, right? So now let's find the ratio of their surface area, okay? So surface area of one small sphere, what is it? 4 pi r square, right? And surface area of the bigger sphere will be pi r dash square, okay? We have to find the ratio. So s divided by s dash, right? 4 by 3 pi r cube, we can divide 4 pi, right? I'll be using r square, but remember, we already got it that r dash is how much? Equal to 3 times r. For me, we got it right, r dash equals 3 times r, alright? So I'm writing it down, and then because they're square, 3 3s are 9, r into r square, right? I can divide r square, and I'm going to have 1 is to 9. Therefore, the ratio of s and s dash is what? 1 is to 9. Alright, let's do the last question. So pretty simple. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere, okay? They've given us the diameter, we can find the radius. So how much medicine is needed to fill up the capsule? So this is the capsule, right? So they're asking us how much medicine can we fill it up, alright? So we just have to find the volume of the spherical capsule, right? Diameter, like I said, they gave us. Radius will be just divided by 2, right? So volume of the spherical capsule equals volume of the sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then we can start a division. This is 4, right? So this, and then 2 2s are 4, I can divide, right? Then 2 1s are 20, 11, then 7, 0.5, right? So I'll have here 11 into 0.5, finish 3.5 into 3.5. When you multiply, we'll get 67.375 divided by 3, and then divided again, we'll get 22.458 millimeter cube, okay? Or approximately, we can put how much? Medicine, 22.46 millimeter cube. So that's it, alright?